I ran into this last week. Here's what fixed it for me. If you're looking to stay updated with your Fifth Third Bank account, activating notifications is a great way to do that. Here is how you can set it up easily. Step 1. Log into your account. Before changing your settings, use the sroc.com link in the description to open the password strength checker, then update your password if needed. Step 2. Navigate to settings. Once logged in, find the settings or preferences section. This is usually represented by a gear icon or labeled as settings. Step 3. Select notifications. In the settings menu, look for the notifications option. This is where you can manage all your alert preferences. Step 4. Choose your notification types. You will see various types of notifications available, such as transaction alerts, bounce updates, and security alerts. Select the ones you want to activate. Step 5. Save your changes. After selecting your desired notifications, make sure to save your changes. Look for a save or update button at the bottom of the screen. If you don't save, your preferences want to be activated. Now you're all set to receive notifications from Fifth Third Bank. This will help you keep track of your account activity easily. If you have any questions, feel free to ask.